Alright, this is building 2, pre-jet, and I found a clean out in front of the building, and yep, that's our double Y. So straight ahead is going to go to 202, this one's offset, and then to the right is going to be, the right side of the building, which would be the north, and the left's going to be the south. So we'll fish our jetter in here and get both sides clean. Alright, this is building 2, post-jet. So what we're going to do is run straight up here to the double Y. Make sure that bad boy's all cleaned out. And then there's a manhole cover, which I pulled in front of the building, and I cleaned the main all the way into the manhole. So this is going out away from the building. You can see we're already in the clay pipe. A couple of straggling roaches, and we're probably already in the manhole. Yeah, we're dumping right into the manhole right there. So the main is good. And the left side of this building to that double Y is a short run, and the right side is a fairly long run. So we'll start with the left. We'll move over and camera the left side now and make sure all looks good. Alright, so this is the left side of building 2. Before we get to the double Y, I think it's only going to pick up 1 unit. And then after it picks that unit up, we'll be in the double Y, which is the second unit in from the left side. Looks like there was quite a bit of debris in here. So here's our double Y in the center. So the left side, building 2, all that looks good. Alright, now we are on the right side of building 2. And again, this is after cleaning. You can see where the spots were is probably where we had debris laying down to the line. The clean out was easily accessible on this one, so we didn't have to run this before to locate where it was. And again, spots on the pipe, that's normal. We're looking for any major debris. We got a small belly here. With this many units, I would imagine people probably have been running their water since we've been jetting it. Water in the belly is clear, so we can see that it's not loaded with debris. So that's on the right side of building 3. It's not a major belly, but definitely is a sag in the pipe. Small belly there where it picked up that unit. There's another unit. This clean out is offset way on the left side of the building. That's why it's such a long run to the double Y from this right side. So you can see the right side, we're already at 88 feet before it even exits the building. So all this down here has got a long way to go. So this building, building 2, may be something you might want to put on a preventative maintenance plan if you're going to do any of these buildings, since it's such a long way. So there's our double Y. It's probably about 112 feet. So long way for the waste to go from the right side of the building to exit the building on building 2. So that's building 2, right side really long. Everything's nice and clean.